We're gonna head over to my girlfriend Jen's place. She wants to do baby wonton. It's a smaller version for little toddlers because the regular wonton and dumpling are just too big for the mouth. And I got all the ingredients with me. We're gonna head over to her house now, and we're gonna have some fun. I have a video that previously on how to make a wonton, and I used all beef, but this time I'm gonna mix some beef and mostly pork and some vegetables, because little kids most little kids don't like greens for some reason, and I'm gonna incorporate some greens in there so they have meat and veggie at the same time without knowing. So here we are. I am just gonna park. Don't want to scrape my wheels. Took me half an hour to get here. Not too bad. Okay, we're gonna go in. Are we ready to make some dumplings?
Yes, we are.
That's little Ari. The dumpling is for you. So here we are, my friends, Jen's kitchen. We're gonna make baby wonton today and also regular wonton. You need NAPPA cabbage, green chive, green onion, minced garlic, onion, eggs, wonton wrappers, some pork, minced beef, oyster sauce, white pepper, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, is done. Now all we do is mix everything together, and you can smell the aroma already. Because of the stir frying, it's gonna make it even extra good.
introducing my girlfriend Jen. Hello!
So now that all the prepping is done, we have the regular wonton wrapper. It's quite big for a kid. What we're going to do is we're going to stretch it out and cut it into 4s. See how it doubled in size? After you cut it into 4 pieces, and you have 4 little cute ones. Ta-da! So proud of Jen. This is her first time wrapping and she did an amazing job. Look how tiny it is. Doesn't it look pretty? Wow, check that out.
Well, if you make these your own, like, you know, like spend a weekend, do a whole bunch of these for your, you know, at home kind of thing, save a lot of money actually.
It's a go-to food.
Yeah.
Just sit here while Ari's playing. You can just do this on your own.
So
Yeah, Ari can do laundry, you can do this. Hello. How's the mum? How's the mum?
See, he's debating. He took
What
it.
is it? Oh my god,
He
it's
took it. It's good.
Say bye-bye. 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 Do this. Hi. Hi. That was a huge success. Ari really likes it. We made a big batch and we froze it for future lunches for him and snacks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please follow or subscribe. Until then, I'll see you. Bye.